Hey everyone, friends! Weiler here. Today I'll show you what to do if your iPhone is stuck in SOS mode. So, it looks something like this. It might not even be flashing. Right, this button obviously doesn't respond to touch, nothing happens. Yeah, and here, well, nothing responds, right? This button probably won't respond for you either. Well, that's how it is. Okay, so to fix this, you need to press volume up, press volume down, then hold the power button. And hold it. Keep holding. Keep holding. There, and as you can see, the screen went dark. Right, let me explain again. So, you need to press volume up, volume down, then hold the power button. This will force restart, which will completely reboot your iPhone from almost any state as long as it has power. There, and it'll turn back on in normal mode. Right, after this, by the way, I recommend updating your system, because these glitches usually happen when the system isn't updated. That's it. This was Weiler. See you all later.